DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for practical home improvement tips. Today, we're diving into the world of window treatments, focusing on the innovation of cordless blinds, specifically cordless cellular shades. If you aren't familiar with this kind of window treatment or are in search of some window coverings that don't involve cords or chains, Wall Curtains welcomes you to a fun and informative video about the usage of cordless shades. This will help you know how cordless window blinds can be an excellent option for your place. Moreover, we'll also be covering a simple and straightforward method of installing these blinds. Let's get started. Cordless blinds are widely used for window covering and beautifying purposes, and they are a particularly best recommendation for homes with kids and pets. Working of cordless blinds. Cordless window blinds work over a spring-loaded system which is present either in their headrail or bottom rail and creates tension for holding the blind panels/slats in place. These blinds do feature cords, but on the inside, they either run behind the panel of the blind or within the slat. These hidden cords make the blinds move as the tension is adjusted by the user. Operating cordless blinds. In general, there are 3 ways to operate cordless window blinds. Here's a brief explanation of each. Bottom rail. Such blinds require pushing or pulling of their bottom rail for their movements, pulling down for raising and pushing up for lowering. Motorized mechanism. Blinds with motorized mechanisms have the easiest and most time-saving working. They can be controlled via wall switches, remote controls, apps, etc. Detachable wand. These unique blinds come with a separate wand for tilting their slats and raising or lowering. Installing cordless cellular shades. For the DIY installation of cordless honeycomb blinds, you'll need a tape measure, a pencil, a drill, a level, and a screwdriver. Besides, you may also need a stepladder, depending on the height of your windows. Here's how you can fit these shades. Measure and mark. Start by measuring the width of your window and marking the desired placement of the brackets. Use a level to ensure your markings are straight. Install brackets. Using the drill, secure the installation brackets into place. The number of brackets will depend on the width of your shades. Mount the shades. Attach the headrail of the cordless cellular shades onto the installed brackets. Ensure that the shades are securely in place. Test and adjust. Gently lift and lower the shades to test their operation. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure they operate smoothly and evenly. And there you have it, a quick guide on how cordless blinds work and how to install cordless cellular shades. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more practical home improvement guides.